Welcome back, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me through the mic. I'm doing some soldering on the 250 today. There. And what we do is we do a little pull test. If it doesn't come apart, go ahead and put on the heat shrink. Use the top right before the tip of soldering iron to heat shrink this. Want to be careful because it can melt through it, just like it did right there on the wire. There. Okay. Now that's long enough. It should work. I'm waiting on some connectors. But, I don't know how long the video is going to be. Oh, we're at 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm waiting on some connectors that I ordered, and we might be able to test see if it has spark. Oh, I also got to find a little screw for the point. But this is a 6-volt point system, and I put a 12-volt points on it. So I've read that the coil right there will work 6 to 12 volts. So that's not a problem. So we might, if this is correct and works, we could run 12-volt lights on it instead of 6-volt, which that would be really nice. We're gonna see. White wire I was told was a ground, and it shows on the wiring diagram as a ground, so I just grounded it to the cage right there. I might do it to a frame. They should have a good ground there because the cage is connected to the frame, but I don't know. Then I can ground the other ground to the engine like it was, and we should be getting some spark. Once we have spark, it's basically, I also ordered some fuel line, brake line for the tubing inside the FL250 tank. Mine rotted all out, and while I was repairing the whole bottom of the tank, I thought I might just replace that tubing. So, gonna replace that tubing. Gotta weld the whole bottom of the tank, the replacement patch, and leak test it. If it doesn't leak, throw it in. You gotta take the cage back off, though. That's one thing I hate about 250 is you can either drop the whole axle down, or you can pull the cage off. So, oh, and there is also a crack on the brace member that goes that way, right there. So I gotta weld that up. But and there's also a crack on the exhaust. But I welded that up back in October, and it's holding up pretty good. So yeah, but it's a little video. There'll be more to come. Probably doing a review video on those wire wheels pretty soon. And catch you guys on the next one. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and see you later.